You snorting. Got a girlfriend?
No! I'm looking at you.
She's starting already.
2 zeros to the 1, I'm in a different mode. It's my life, do what I wanna be with.
Hey beautiful queen, it's your girl Boujee Beauty, and I'm back with another video. Turn to subscribe. What's up? If you're new to the channel, what's good? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Boujee Beauty crew. And it's always to the beauty and wellness. And guess who I got with me today?
My love.
Who?
My love.
Oh Lord. And it looks like we got something sitting in front of us. Do y'all want to know what's in front of us? Good old seafood. Yes, so we're gonna do a mukbang with y'all. Hopefully my love be on her best behavior. Hopefully I'll be on my best behavior. It looks so good, y'all. Ooh, it looks so bomb. Ooh, yes. Ooh, I'm so ready to get into it. Okay, just wait.
You put potatoes in it too?
Yeah, potatoes. Hold on, just hold on. Just hold on.
This is eggs?
Just hold on, just hold on, just hold on.
I can't hold on.
Hold on, y'all. Y'all hold on to it. Y'all want to know what's in the bowl. Just hold on. So, I got my juice. What you got? What you drinking? This is what, okay, so what I'm drinking on, this is not juice. This is my mommy juice, as my love call it. But I got a hurricane, what's these things, daiquiri? Yeah, so this is what I got. So cheers to you guys. What you drinking? What's in your cup?
I don't know. It's just regular juice.
I know, so what you got?
I don't know what it's called.
It's the pineapple passion fruit juice, something like that.
No pineapple in
All right, cheers.
here. But it kind of do.
Cheers. You gotta look person in the eyes.
I'm looking at you.
She's starting already. All right, so cheers to good food, good times, and good conversation. Cheers. Cheers. Oh my goodness. That's sweet. So it's been a minute since we did one of these, y'all.
Can you hurry?
It's been a minute. Like, it's a video way down, deep down. But you can definitely find us. Dang, why are you so close?
Cause you gonna hurry up. I'm hungry.
All right, discuss the food.
God is good. God is good.
Amen.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell the people what we got.
I don't really know what all we have.
All right, so we got corn, we got shrimp, we got potatoes, and of course we got crab legs. Don't have no eggs because I forgot to get eggs, so yeah. So let's eat. I did something different. Oh no, we got sausage. We got turkey sausage. I sauteed the turkey sausage with the onions, and that's what's different. The onions, I put it sauteed with onions, you know, my other little concoction, but about to take me out of there. I tell you,
What?
scoot up to the table. She's shaking the table. So, I think I'm gonna put my love in a hot seat today, y'all.
What's a hot seat?
On top of my dome, ain't got nothing written down.
What's a hot seat?
It's a good old talk. Why I ask you a whole bunch of questions. And you have to answer them
Okay.
truthfully.
Okay.
This is so good. You ready? Y'all ready?
Mom.
What? I'm not that ready.
I'm ready.
I don't even know what I'm gonna ask you. We gotta hold on, cause I ain't ate all day. What I ate? I ate a bowl of cereal this morning before church, And I had a cup of coffee. That's it. Both Fruit Loops. Alright. What you like being called? Liana, my love.
Liana.
It sounds a little salted.
Cover your mouth.
I ain't even really coughing. So you don't like the name my love?
I do, but I don't like people using it.
So you don't like when I use it?
Sometimes.
Dang! You drunk all your juice? So sometimes?
Yeah.
So you don't want me calling you my love?
Not real.
Mm.
Because first people don't know how to spell it. And second, people don't know about it.
Huh?
And second, people, like, a lot of people don't know about my name being that.
They ain't supposed to, I think. And people that know you know that names you. So you want me to stop calling you my love?
I didn't say that.
Okay. Y'all, this turkey sausage don't even taste like turkey sausage because I guess the way I just. I'm gonna need some blood pressure medicine after dinner. I literally put all this sauce on him. Here, take the whole thing over there. One of them. Okay.
Next.
What's your favorite subject in school?
Math.
Really? Okay.
I changed subjects.
Okay.
I wasn't ready. I'm getting my hair.
What's your favorite color?
Colors or color?
Color.
Pink.
Pink. You like school? Why not?
Cause it's boring.
How's it boring?
Because literally, our recess is boring sometimes because we literally just get there and then like 10 seconds later we have to leave.
Your recess be boring? So that's why school is boring and you don't like it?
No, it's good boring because they teach things over and over again, and then they also.
I gotta take some potato. And we need on that corn. So they teach the same stuff over and over again.
Yeah.
And that bored you?
Yeah, can you help me open this?
Yeah, man, from cereal. You got it. I overdid it with that last little bit of touch of seasoning. Cause I ended up put some more
Where's the sauce? I'm supposed to do it.
in the bowl.
Oh.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's your favorite parent?
What do you mean I only have one?
Who's your favorite parent?
Yeah. Why you looking at me like that?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. What the first place you want to travel to? You can go anywhere.
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
It's hot.
You drink all your juice.
I do are.
You got no water.
Uh-huh.
But eat.
Uh-huh.
It's hot. Okay. Let's crank it up a notch. You got a boyfriend?
I don't. I don't.
You got a girlfriend?
No.
Shit, I'm just checking. Parents, you gotta ask the jury. Do you think think you old enough to like boys? You think you old enough to have a boyfriend?
I don't know.
You said a yes or no. You don't know?
No.
I don't know if you think you're old enough. Am I a mini mama?
Sometimes.
Why you answer that so fast? You scared?
It's hard.
You scared?
No.
Who's the best person in the whole wide world? Bruh. I just cleaned up. Literally just cleaned up before I cooked all this. Who's the best person in the whole wide world?
God.
Okay. What's 6 times 6?
36.
You sure, y'all? I'm gonna clap and proud here.
Yeah, because 6 times 5 equals 30, and then 6 times 6, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
I'm getting hungry. That's weird. Like, I wasn't that hungry, but as soon as I start eating, not burp. Then I'm gonna start getting full, cause I just burp. But I'm starting to feel hungry. I can't burp. You got a favorite uncle?
I can see that.
Placebo.
Yeah.
What?
He's funny.
Fine. Ain't nothing in that. Who's your favorite YouTuber?
Finova.
Who?
Finova.
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 Who is that?
She does Roblox videos. You know the game that I be playing?
Mm-hmm.
That's like on Roblox. When you always talk about some pipe down. Those type of games.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she plays those type of games, and those make me laugh.
Oh, okay. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Like when I get like to college.
Just what do you want to be when you grow up? No matter.
A majorette.
You want to be a majorette?
I want to go to HBU and do majorette there.
Okay. So what are you gonna study when you go there?
I don't know, whatever they expect.
Like what do you, outside of being a dancer, you want to be a majorette dancer during your college days, right? So what do you want to be like in life to have a career and make money? And
I want to
help
start
spread
my
wisdom?
own dance team.
You want to be a dance instructor?
Yeah, like Miss Linda. Well, I know I'm going to do everything that Miss Linda does, but let Miss Linda. Hi. I get water.
Go ahead. I guess it's break time, but not for me. Yeah, this is so good. And I wasn't gonna cook all that corn because I'm like, nah, I don't eat all that shit. I don't know. I'm gonna eat till I get good and full. I'm starting to get though. It's really not even that spicy.
Because the refrigerator is on fire.
We still got crab legs to grab. Why you ate no corn?
Because I want no corn.
You guys, whew, slow down, little mama.
Huh?
Damn it, I'm just trying to push it back a little bit. gotta do her hair. Get that out of there.
Now I'm letting it soak.
If I keep eating a potato, I'm gonna really get full. Am I a strict parent?
Mm-hmm.
Too strict?
I don't know.
So you say you want to be a dancer, so you want to twerk?
No.
You still know how to twerk?
No.
What kind of dancer you want to be?
A major
Dancing?
dancer.
They twerk?
It's buck, not twerk.
Bucking. That's mostly what you want to do?
Yeah.
Is this your tooth?
No, that's corn.
Like that. I know you about to put that doggone tooth up.
My tooth is in my bag.
I need on my glasses. Whew. You been full?
No.
Excuse me. What?
You burp loud.
Because I ain't trying to keep it in. Just get up.
What did I do?
I didn't tell you. Y'all heard all that knocking? They be banging over there. If you can do something every day, the same thing, what would it be?
Get on my iPad.
Ooh, that's salty. Do you have a secret or secrets?
No.
If you had one, would you tell me?
No.
Why?
A secret is a secret.
But you're supposed to share your secrets with mommy.
No.
Well, you want to tell me your secrets?
What?
Uh-huh. Look at you burping out loud. Just ghetto.
I get it from you.
Oh, you want to tell me your secrets?
No.
Mm.
A secret is supposed to be a secret. A secret is something that you know, but nobody else knows. You're not supposed to tell nobody, so they won't know.
Even if it's something like really important that you really want to tell, you still would tell me?
No, because who wants to tell their secrets?
You tell it to your mom. So you'll keep it to yourself?
Yeah. Don't take that. I'm gonna syringe in the water.
And then a syringe, submerge,
Yeah.
same difference?
Mm-hmm.
No. Now I'm hot. You hot? Why am I hot? And you in hot seat.
What's a hot seat?
You kissed the boy before?
No. What? I haven't. You jealous.
You better get it out of the way. How I know you want to tell me because it could be a secret.
I just said I don't have no secrets.
So if you had a secret, you'll tell me you got a secret, but you still won't tell me. Put on your napkin. So if you had a secret, you'll say you got a secret, but you can't tell me.
No.
Or you'll be like, I don't have no secret because you can't tell me.
What?
Exactly. You said you don't have no secrets. Then you said you wouldn't tell me your secret. So
You asked me if I had a secret, would I tell you? And I said no.
right. So if you kissed the boy and you didn't want me to know, that's your secret. Right?
Yeah, but I didn't say that I kissed the boy.
I
have no secrets.
I know. But what you didn't want to tell me, you kissed the boy. That's a secret. That's a secret, right? Yes. Period. Now, when I burp, it's a problem. When they do it, it's alright.
I'm a they.
Yeah. When she do it, it's alright. When I do, it's a problem. Y'all know what Finesse 2 times said. It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when I do it. I still got a whole other crab leg to bust down. You getting full?
No.
How many paper towels you gonna use?
A lot.
No, you ain't. This Bounty. Quicker picker upper. You only need 2.
That's only the quicker picker upper when it's
You got about 5 over there with juice on it. How you feel about me dating?
Huh?
How you feel about me dating? Why you taste the sausage? What? What?
The question again?
How do you feel about me dating? What? What's up? That's your question. That's your answer?
You can only date them if they sleep outside. Excuse me.
I said how you feel about me dating. That's how you feel?
Yep.
You need to get one of these sausages, some of these potatoes, and a piece of corn.
I already have some
You eating up all my doggone shrimp.
Our shrimp.
My shrimp.
Our
Who bought it?
Yeah.
Who cooked it?
Yeah.
Who cleaned it?
You clean that stuff?
Yeah. What you mean? Shit ain't dirty. Ain't just come out there, boom in the pot, boom some seasoning, boom we digesting it. You clean it. Who prepared the table?
Yeah.
Our shrimp. Let me eat up all our shrimp. Judgmental ass. You snorting. Since when you snort?
I don't know.
It wasn't even that funny. Something wrong with you. Did you like anybody that you met that I was talking to or that I hung out with?
Yeah.
You like somebody? Who?
Demetrius.
Oh, girl, why you telling me my ear? Why you ain't telling me my ear?
You asked me?
You gonna tell it?
You didn't say tell it out loud. You should have said tell it out loud in your ear. You did.
What?
You didn't tell me to say it in your ear.
I shouldn't have to tell you to tell me in my ear. You'll get a bitch road dog. You'll get a road dog. What if I told you I got a secret boyfriend? What if I thought I had a secret boyfriend? That's your answer? That's just a look? Huh?
What's that right there? I
What's
can't
what?
see my head. I can't see that that
The light
Ah.
reflected in the mirror. What if I liked it? What if I had a girlfriend?
No for them too. No for a boyfriend. Or
Like
girlfriend.
not like girlfriend. Like this is my girlfriend. Like we girlfriends. Like we cool. Like that's my girlfriend. Like what if I had like a girlfriend?
Same thing for boyfriend.
Oh, okay. But you know it's different, right? You have girlfriends.
Yeah,
if
I
I have
know.
a girlfriend,
I know.
they gotta sleep outside too. I don't want no girlfriend. I don't like women.
Hey!
So you wouldn't judge me?
No, but they can sleep outside.
You want a dad? Do you want a dad? You want a father figure?
Well,
I know I ain't got the teeth for this shit. Well, what? You ate all your... make sure you bust all these open. This is meat, girl. What are you doing?
what do you mean what I'm doing?
All this meat.
Then if you want to eat that part, then eat that part.
All the meat in there is getting cold. You didn't answer the question.
Wait, what was the question again?
Do you want a dad?
I don't
A
know.
father? Do you want a father figure in your life?
I don't know.
You don't know? I'm F-R-E-E. Stop, you don't get that stuff everywhere.
That's so hard.
Let me see. You know, you want to be fed like a baby?
Yeah.
Of course you do. You want juice?
Yeah.
Open wide.
Choo-choo train, choo-choo train.
I was gonna do that. Open wide. Here comes the crab. Open wide, baby. You want crab? Want crab meat? It was gremlin.
You're taking too long.
Oh my goodness, my stomach hurt. You playing over this meat. F-R-E-E. B-E free.
What's BD free?
My damn stomach.
I'm done.
If you had $1 million, what would you do with it? When all this meat gets sold.
Buy me a house. Buy me a car. Buy me furniture for my house.
Why you bust the egg open like that? I mean that potato. You must gonna eat it. Alright, buy you a house, buy you a car, furnish your house. What else?
Give me a maid, butler, cooker, a pool, pay for bills, get Robux, and that's it.
What kind of car you want? Sit down.
I'm done.
You sit down.
A pink car. A pink Jeep.
A Jeep. So you wouldn't give me none of your money?
If you don't have none,
To come stay with you?
if you don't have a house,
You wouldn't buy me no house? Dang,
if
dog.
you need a house, you asked me the question.
My feelings hurt.
You asked me what I would do.
Dog or cat? What your cat to lay in? Like, dog or cat?
I don't know. They both cute. No, actually, I'll do dog because cats, they don't have no respect for your stuff. They will just run around your stuff and they'll break stuff and then they'll sleep where they're not supposed to sleep. It's not,
What
what
dog
is
you
it?
want?
A Pomeranian. It looks like that.
That's your iPad.
No, but like this on the counter.
Pool or beach?
Pool.
Mom or dad?
Mom.
Brother or sister?
Both, cause
Brother or sister?
sister.
Sleep or never sleep?
Sleep.
Okay, cake. What's your favorite food? You had these some hard, tough questions.
We are.
This shit mediocre. That ain't mediocre. It's cool seat. It ain't hot seat. My love in the cold seat. I don't even remember the question I asked you because you playing. What I asked
Pizza.
you? Florida or Alabama? I'm gonna say this for tomorrow.
Florida.
Gold or silver?
Silver.
Real or fake?
Real.
TikTok or YouTube?
TikTok.
Who's your favorite TikToker?
All-Star.
Who is that?
He plays the hood on Roblox.
Plays the hood.
Uh-huh.
What's your favorite movie? That corn was good. Alright, 2 corns, 1.
Favorite movie?
Mhm.
Titanic.
Titanic, 2 potatoes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who's your favorite rapper? 6.
Like female or male?
It don't matter.
I want to pick both, so I want to pick
7. Trump,
Megan Thee
7.
Stallion. Wait, no. Okay, this is hard.
Who's your favorite female rapper?
Huh?
Who's your favorite female rapper?
Nicki Minaj.
Who's your favorite male rapper?
It's between Kevin Gates and Rod Wave.
What? What's your favorite song that's out right now?
What was that?
What's your favorite song out right now? Ooh, it's getting spicy. Need. What's that?
I was playing in the car.
No. Need. Show me. I thought it was Future Solo.
It's not. Well, it's out, but it's not new.
I ain't say no.
This one.
Play it.
Which one? This
They
one.
want to go.
No, that's not it. That's also Speed.
Not Elmo. Do it right here.
No, I can't.
Throw down. I ain't heard this. I think I heard it when you played it. Okay, I don't think I got any more questions. So I just made up questions, random questions. Who you like?
I don't look like that. I'm not to stop smiling.
Who you look like?
No, stop.
You wasn't smiling. Who do you look like, girl?
Both?
You look like me?
I said both.
You don't look like me?
Both.
So you don't look like me?
I do look like you. I look like him the same way. Y'all faces combined and made this.
All right, cut. All right, so I think I'm done with my love in the cool down seat because this was cool down. It got a little spicy. Did it get a little spicy?
I don't even know what a hot seat is. What is
I told
that?
you. I asked you a whole bunch of questions. I can't ask you other questions because it's not appropriate for you. I can only ask you stuff that's kind of like age appropriate. That's the hot seat. I put you in the hot seat. Isn't it hot?
It's warm. It's medium. it's like it's room temperature.
It's your temperature. So it wasn't blazing. What's the questions hot?
Oh, that's the about the seat.
I was talking about the seat, but was the questions hot?
I don't know what you mean by hot.
Was it tough? Was it hot? Was it spicy? Or was it like cool?
It was like medium. Well, it's not even medium.
Was I asking too many questions?
I don't know how many questions you asked me.
Is it how we be? Is that how we be? What? I can hear. I don't give a flying fuck. Move. I don't care. It's not been loud for the whole neighborhood. That's how we be? When I get on you? Or when you playing?
I don't know.
And running around here?
I don't know.
Then that's how we be?
I don't know.
They be like, shh. They was mad loud. Get your boy off the table.
I can't.
Now I'm going to put her damn ear to the wall. Just go out the door if you really want to be nosy. Don't you tell me this shit. You can go out the door. She's so nosy. I don't feel nothing from this. This little 2% alcohol. What you running for? They saw your ass. Just ratchet. You remember that time when you said my jewelry was fake and it came from Amazon?
It was the necklace.
No, it wasn't. It came from China.
Still fake?
No, it was not.
Yes, it was.
How you know?
Every single thing from China is fake. Ken dolls are fake. Barbie dolls are fake.
So that hat you swinging is fake.
Let me see where it's from. Yeah.
So my necklace was fake.
Yeah.
Girl, I paid good grip for that.
Still fake.
No, it was not.
It might be a lot of money, but just like Amazon, they pay them. It makes it a lot of money. And then when you get it, it's not as
But it didn't come from Amazon.
Where it came from?
China.
China, Amazon, same thing.
No shit, me.
Talking again.
I don't care. Oh, it's so echo in here. This is nasty. I don't even know why I got that. I'm gonna say the rest of it. What time is it? It's 4:04. I gotta do your hair. I gotta tell you something, like some serious stuff. You ready? I want to introduce you to somebody. Put your tongue in your mouth. What the hell? What's wrong with you? I'm gonna call him and tell him, come get off the girl. I'm just playing with you.
look like there's a whole gap right here.
I look like what?
That's a whole gap in your earring. Like this part.
Who do you love? Who do you love?
I already told you.
Who do you love?
God.
You don't love me?
But God.
You don't love me?
But God.
You don't love me?
I do.
No, you don't. That's messed up.
But how is that messed up?
Get out.
I'm not even in.
You is in.
Oh.
You don't love me? Get off me. Move. You don't love me?
I do.
No, you don't. Now you capping.
I do.
Move. Get out the window. There it is. My child don't love me. That's what's up.
Huh?
That's what's up. The truth will set you free.
I didn't say that.
You did. What did you say?
I said love God. I never said I didn't love
God know you love him. But who do you love?
me.
You know who you look like?
Who?
Alright, I'm finna go because I gotta do her hair. Let me close out this video. Alright, come back still here. Look at this. You getting this food all on your clothes.
Where?
Come on with the fake hat from Amazon.
Those earrings are made from China. That's made from China.
So was your outfit. And so was your eyes, your nose, and your lips.
My eyes, my nose, and my lips are made from God. Actually, from trees, plants, and dirt. What? That's what God used to make us? Wait, what does it say?
China. Sit down, I call the video.
I gotta see what it says. China.
What did it say?
I don't know. It doesn't say no China. Should we have big bold letters saying China?
And I knocked that name down right there. China. Made by China.
It does not say made by
And
China.
Target and where it come from? City Trend? City Trend put their stamp on it. Time is rolling.
50 minutes and 11 seconds.
Exactly.
12.
We ain't even eating that long. Anyways, y'all. Alright. Thank y'all for tuning in and watching another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Tune in to the next vlog. Make sure you hit that bell so you know when I post new videos. So it can go bing. And don't forget to see the beauty and wellness, period. And go ahead and follow and subscribe to My Love's Creation. Is that your channel? You don't even know, leave it alone. So that's it. Till next time. Peace.
Reese's Pieces. Reese's Pieces. Reese's Pieces.
How did you feel about your questions?